Okay, you guys, I didn't want to leave y'all hanging, so I will teach you something new today. So, like I was saying, cannabinoids are biphasic, which means that they can have opposing effects when you consume them, depending on the dose. Or depending on other factors, I'm sure, but specifically dose. Like, for example, anxiety, right? A lot of people use cannabis, like CBD or indica strains, to help control their anxiety. But we all know that too much cannabis can make people very anxious, or certain types of cannabis can make people very anxious as well. So there's that